told you just not know.
I scrubbed.
Did he have a fish this morning? Hi. I want some eggs. Okay, put in
This is
the
the one.
basket. Yay!
I'm gonna
Good.
try to.
No?
Oh.
That's okay, get more eggs. More
Oh.
eggs. Alright.
That guy.
There more?
Maybe he's
Look on the bookshelf.
trying
Look on
to
the books.
hold his
Look by the books,
to
Amy.
make some
Whoops.
he more.
Stand up. Stand up and look on the bookshelf, baby. Over there, I see one.
Why?
On the bookshelf, Eamon.
This one ain't it?
Okay, let's look over here. All right. Okay, keep looking. Look. I see more. I see more. Good job. Okay, put in. All right. Do you see more? More? More eggs. Do you see some more
Look,
hiding?
Eamon.
Go get them. Go get the eggs. Put in your basket. Remember to shake a shake. Can't even get them.
The 10 like I did. I'm gonna need 10.
I think the Easter Bunny got Eamon 100 eggs. What do you think?
Okay, get more. Get more. Look on the cars. Do you see some eggs on the cars?